Here's my watch list for today. It's Tuesday, September 20th. So if you're interested in learning how to trade stock options, or if you're interested in the stock market in general, then definitely like the video and subscribe to the channel. Essentially, we're watching this 386 area right here on SPY. We broke through it yesterday, and now we're getting a pullback into it. So we're looking for this to hold as support now. If this fails, then you're going to collapse through 382, or you're going to collapse down to 382. 382 doesn't hold. You got a gap directly below, right up in here. And you probably going to continue a little bit lower. But in the short term, that's what you'll be watching. So to the upside, you got the rest of this gap left to fill, just a small piece of it. And then beyond that, you're looking at this 395, 396 price area. If you look at ES, it's a lot simpler to see it. Basically, if you take ES, you'll be just looking at a 38.78 level to hold, to make this push up to this supply. So if that fails, then it's probably a failed breakout. Today can be tricky because FOMC is tomorrow. Volatility is going to be insanely high. So just be very cautious. I'm buying time. Of course, it's not financial advice. Do as you like. And I will say the other thing to watch is this trend line on NQ. We reclaimed it yesterday, this orange one here. And it's just kind of been the breakdown gauge for me, really. Resistance, 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 breakout, retest, bounce, held at support, bounce, got a fake breakdown, reclaimed it yesterday, and now you're just testing it again. So ideally, theoretically, you see another bounce today. And if you break down below that trend line, then if you hold below that trend line, that's kind of your gauge for bearish momentum or bullish momentum. If you're to the upside, it's bullish. And I would just say watch that supply or demand area for NQ. If that fails, then you're headed lower. And that's basically going to be the 289 price range for NQ. So you want to get in where risk is very small and use a stop loss, of course. And that's really it. Now, I will just say yesterday we had this breakdown, or it looked like a breakdown. You had this support here, and then you broke down below that in the pre-market, and then ripped pretty much into close, but got choppy. Once the market actually opened, it was just a lot of chop, really, after the initial bounce in the morning. So that was a little bit of a trap, I would say, and it fits our original thesis that we were going to break out after, remember, this failed, and then you got the bounce, reclaim that, and you see it held as resistance because of this. So now you should just be bouncing off of that and head to that target. But if that fails, then you just flush lower. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Catch y'all later.